Welcome to the InforMaven AI Update, a podcast for higher education administrators to discuss the practical use of AI and intelligent agents. I'm JD Mosley-Matchett, the founder and CEO of InforMaven, a company that helps you work smarter by harnessing the power of intelligent agents. And this month, our guest is John W. Munsell, the CEO of Bizzuka and the author of the book Ingrain AI. How can teams start seeing AI as a professional advantage? A lot of administrators are afraid that using AI will make them look like they don't know how to do their job. How do you help teams move past that stigma and see AI as a professional advantage rather than some kind of a crutch?
Well, one of the ways is to just get them together, have a little workshop. It could be a 45-minute workshop or whatever, but it's easy to do in a university environment because they've got labs, they got computer labs or whatever. What you want to do is just give somebody an opportunity to see what it's like to work with it. And when they and you have to give them a very specific example. So that's one of the things that we do as a first step when we're working with a corporation or a university or a school is we have a little workshop. We have very specific exercises we go through that solve problems. And then all of a sudden people go, whoa, this could take a load off of me. Especially when you're talking about the administrative layers that are trying to do more on less money, they're stressed. But when they see how much this improves things, I mean, when you can take a 6-hour process and boil it down to something that takes you now 3 to 8 minutes, man, you're getting people excited now, right? So they're no longer seeing it as an opponent, they're seeing it as an assistant. And that's what we want to do.
Please visit InforMaven.ai to hear the entire interview.